All right. Whoops. Oh, that was you? Okay.
I was just moving that out of the way.
Yeah, I don't know why we can't close it or something. Can we not? Anyways.
Wow, looks pretty good.
So yeah, any initial comments on the look of it and the feel of it?
Oh, you have your little house. These are all the home meds. I obviously can't scroll down, right?
No, it's just one.
Just this one page. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buffy Quill.
Okay.
It looks really good, Mark.
Okay. So we're gonna do pretty much the same thing as last time. I'm gonna ask you to do certain things, and then you just talk me through what you're thinking and why you need, why you did what you did or why you thought whatever. So just like last time, I'll ask you to verify a set of... Oh, actually, I forgot to mention, we took your suggestion and we split up the admission tab and the verification tab.
Okay.
So now you do verification in one and you do admission in a separate place, so it's less confusing.
Okay.
So right now we're looking at the admission, at the verification tab.
I was going to say, we look at verification. Okay.
So if you wanted
They're
to...
all home meds.
If you wanted to just verify acetaminophen as it is, what would you do?
Right here.
Okay. You can go ahead and do it. Did you click?
I clicked.
Try
again?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. Okay.
Again, so what do you think of the result? Is that what you would have expected?
I like that. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And how would you undo it if you wanted to go back to the way it was?
I'm clicking.
I don't see it.
I'm trying to click on undo. Nothing's happening though.
I don't see the mouse though.
It's right here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm clicking on it.
There you go.
Oh. Okay.
No, I didn't see your mouse. It must have been a weird connection.
Yeah, I could. My arrow was on it.
Okay.
To undo.
All right, so let's go ahead and verify once more.
Acetaminophen.
Yeah.
God.
That's weird. Yeah. Okay.
It's probably just the connection and the internet here.
Because I don't see your mouse when I can hear you click, but I don't see your mouse on the screen. Okay.
You can't see my arrow?
No,
Right here?
no, right now I can, yeah. But sometimes, when you're having troubles, it's because it doesn't seem to register. Anyways,
She
if
must have been fiddling with my computer, so she probably messed it up.
that must be it, yeah. If I asked you to change amoxicillin to 1 cap and then verify it, what would you do?
Oh, let me see. Delete. I'm wondering if I can. Oh, I can. Okay, perfect. Wow. Good. And then.
Nice.
Boy, that's easy. Okay.
Okay, now you have the patient tells you that he or she is not taking and was never prescribed simvastatin. What would you do?
I would. Taking.
Yeah, it's not working.
I know. I'd push no, and then I'd probably then delete it. And I don't know if I'd even have to push no. I'd probably just, actually, if they're not taking it, are they not taking it?
They weren't
or-
prescribed it. It was a mistake.
Okay, then I would just trash it.
Okay. So do it. You there?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
I did it.
Yeah, okay. My phone tried to update, so you cut off for a second. Awesome. Okay. So, what do you think of that? Before we didn't have that delete option, and we added it after feedback from some of the tests.
I love it. It's good.
Okay.
It's easy.
So now the patient is taking paracetamol, or he was prescribed but isn't taking it as he or she's supposed to. In that scenario, what would you do?
prescribed it, but they're not taking it, then I would just put. There we go. No.
Okay. And then if you want to verify.
And then I'd verify that no, they're not taking it.
Okay, and what do you think of the symbols we're using on the left? We talked about those last time.
Yeah, you mean the check that we already. The check mark means we talked about it, right?
Right.
And the little slash means he's obviously, we talked about it, but he's not taking it. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, and now the last thing on this page will say to add a new drug.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So if you want to, we'll say add Ramipril. Just yeah. We'll say 100 milligrams, 1 cap. This is weird. You have to click it just outside. I couldn't get it to work properly. Yeah.
And what did you say? 1 cap daily?
Yeah. I just filled it in all, so we don't have to do all the clicking.
Oh, thanks. And start date?
Start date. It was one thing I wasn't sure if we needed in hospital. Do you need that start and end date when you're doing an in hospital prescription?
When you're doing an in-hospital, it automatically pops up for us.
Okay.
So, like, whatever day it's prescribed,
Yeah.
is, it just pops in.
Okay. And so those dates don't work right now.
These are, but we're verifying home meds, correct?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you would, if it was a home med, it wouldn't really matter.
Okay.
Unless it was like an antibiotic.
Right. Okay, so if you
And
want.
that's it, and then just say.
Yeah, sure.
And then I need to, is taking.
Oh, that's a mistake. It should be yes. Sorry, I didn't see that. So just pretend.
I'm trying to click yes, but it's not working, as you can see.
Yeah, I think it's just a mistake on my end. I didn't realize it said
okay,
no.
so I won't be able to click it.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you verify. Okay.
Or we can say he's not taking it properly. Maybe that's what I meant.
But it's funny because it says no, but there's no slash over here.
Yeah, yeah. I think I meant for it to be yes, and then I just
That's all right.
didn't see. Okay, fantastic. Any general comments on that process?
I like it. It's very clear. It's good. I like it. Looks
Okay. So let's just jump to where are we? Admission. So this is the admission tab, the same one you saw earlier. We did remove some colors from the action column. Before they used to be on color.
I think that's good. Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, I'm just trying to remember.
Mm-hmm.
That arrow means that they're taking it, and you're going to keep the same order in the hospital. And this one, you're going to change the order, correct?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Great. Okay. So if we said to continue amoxicillin to the new order, what would you do? Oh, that's weird. There you go.
But that's what I would do. Okay.
Yeah.
You did that?
Yeah, I just clicked next on the slide. It just means the hyperlink was weird.
Okay.
And then if I said to change acetaminophen to 650 one tab daily.
It's basically the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh.
You don't have to change it. It's already tabbed, right?
Huh?
You don't have to change it since it's already a tab.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So I should be able to click this arrow and have it change. Ah, there we go.
Yeah, it was just being weird.
All right.
So far, so good.
Uh-huh.
If we say to just stop both Ramipril and paracetamol. start with the paracetamol.
I did. I tried to click on the X.
There you go.
And so I figured Are you clicking those for me?
No, I didn't do that. That was you.
Okay. Okay, now they're both X'd.
Okay. And so, what are your thoughts on the highlighting of the button after you click it? Does that make sense?
I think that's good.
Yeah.
I think the red X's are nice.
And now if I said to add a new, yeah, go ahead.
It makes it clear.
Yeah. If I said to add a new medication to the order, say you want to add morphine.
Have you been on it? Okay. What is your last name?
No, this is a search, so you want me, I was going to say, is this search box going to be like, I can type in morphine?
Yeah. I just didn't know how to do that with this demo.
Okay.
Survey.
Okay, if you wanted to make it, let's say,
Today,
30 milligrams, 1 cap daily.
I did send it today. I did send it about half an hour ago.
Oh, this clicking is driving me nuts.
Dr. Granger is last.
There it is.
Seem
Yeah.
to. Thank you.
The email is indicating her contact number so you can contact her or email.
You should have a start date.
Yeah. Okay. These aren't. They're not functioning right now. The start and end date.
Yeah, that's fine. And just,
Okay.
okay.
And then if you just wanted to place the order, what would you do? Awesome. Okay. So
Now, in the hospital, especially if you're ordering morphine,
yeah.
when you place an order, you actually have to sign again. Or like if I place an order for one of the doctors,
Yeah.
I have to like sign in. I have a special code.
Yeah.
I put what doctor ordered it. Just so you know.
Yeah.
You're not involved in that though, right?
No, I mean, I know something like that has to exist, but we didn't get into the details of
Yeah, and you don't have to for this.
yeah.
Okay.
So just like last time, we're showing the who did the last action and the action by. Is that clear? Who's doing what?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do. Now we're doing in-hospital order. What we did change from your suggestion is now by default we're only showing the hospital orders.
That's good.
But if you look on the top, you have the option to include the inactive. So just click
That's
it.
good. That's really good.
Just
Yeah.
click it for fun, and you'll see the.
Yeah. Yeah. I like those lines. Oh, I'm pointing with my fingers. I like the lines and stuff
Yeah.
down here. That's good.
Okay. Yeah, switch back to the easy view. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So now if I just said just stop morphine and then continue the two other ones. Oh, you're not showing up here. Try
I'm
again.
trying.
There you go.
And continue the other ones as they stand.
Yeah. And then go ahead and place the order.
How come? Wait a minute. The acetaminophen in the new order it says 1 tab daily, and over here it says 4 tabs daily.
Well, that's
I
the-
know the 4 tabs is an error.
Yeah, 4 tabs is an error. Sorry about that. Yeah, I must have missed that.
Yeah, I've been drilled since I started nursing
Yeah.
these medications a million times.
No, that's good.
Sorry.
Good for you. No. Okay, so yeah, and we'll place the order one more time. Okay, so one more thing and then we're done. One more tab.
Discharged.
Right, so the opposite to the in-hospital, by default here, we're showing all the inactive ones. And the idea for that was you'd want to reconcile with the home meds when you're doing your discharge. Does that make sense?
Yeah, we always do that.
Okay. So it's just like last time, if you wanted to, you could switch to the simple view with the inactive.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyways, go back to the other view. We'll use that for now.
Okay, name.
Okay.
Um, So if I said to stop the in hospital acetaminophen, but continue the home version of it.
It's not on the list of provided. Did you write it down because I was looking?
Oh. You, let me do it for a second. So you went to you clicked add a comment, which isn't working right now.
That was add a comment?
Yeah.
Sorry. I thought I had to re-add it since it's blocked out. But I guess, okay, so now I want to go like this then.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's fine. So is that confusing, the add and the arrow next to each other? I mean, should we use?
No, I mean, if I obviously it would just take one time to do that, and then you'd figure it out. So no.
Because you could always use different text for the comment. You could say add comment or comment exclamation mark or something. You know.
Well, obviously, Mark, I was stupid. I missed comment at the top of the thing, so.
Oh, it's
No,
on the
it's
desk.
nothing with yours. It's just me.
Okay.
That's fine. That's good.
Okay. If we said continue amoxicillin.
Yeah, he said that he has.
At the same.
Okay.
Yeah, is that the way it is?
Okay.
Okay.
Do I tell him his
Um,
name is in the system under this?
And what if you wanted to remove
So first
amoxicillin now? You made a mistake. How would you do it?
he needs to provide me every time he calls
I would push the little trash can. You want me to do that?
No, it's okay. I just wanted to see if that was the right way.
Did I pass?
You passed. Now, if you just wanted to place the order as is, what would you do?
Place this? You mean just these two drugs?
Yeah, that's it.
I'd just place order.
Okay.
You want me to do that?
Sure.
Okay.
So do you think it's okay not to have to take any action on the drugs that are inactive?
Thank you for holding. Okay. Seems to be
You mean when they go home?
Yeah.
No, yeah, I think it's fine. I think it's because you obviously they're marked off, and so you know they're inactive.
Okay.
No, I think they're fine.
Okay. Well, that's it.
Probably in a hospital, what would happen is if they were inactive for a period of time, they would just disappear from this list. You know.
Yeah. I mean, in a real
This looks
system.
really good.
In a real system, you'd have some kind of rule that says after 30 days or after 15 days.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. No,
Yeah.
this is good. It's nice and clear.
Dr. Duan.
Good job. This is really good.
Thanks. I mean, any general comments? Anything that could be easier? Anything like, you know?
No, I mean honestly, I mean this is it's a whole lot easier than the one we use in the hospital.
Yeah.
Very clear.
Awesome. Okay.
Looks good.
Well, that's it then.
Good job.
Thank you.
When's it due today?
Yeah.